Hello friends, Killer Bee here with a day on the south end of the Escanaba and Lake Superior Railroad from Stiles Junction down to Green Bay. It's going to be a great day. It is September 5th, 2024, and we have a southbound train for Green Bay. The train had been left overnight at Coleman. I figured I would wait for it at Stiles Junction. They are to make a side trip to O'Connell Falls on the branch with cars off the pass. Complicating things is 27 cars in the way, which they will have to move, and then after they go to the falls and back, they will have to put back. Plus they will have to split the power and hand cars off to themselves, as they have to run around the cars without having the benefit of a double-ended siding. So this will be a great video. It is a real thinking man's switching exercise. So they are leaving their train north of the junction and running light power south a ways. They will leave 2 engines to put cars up against, then take the third and head back to start slicing and dicing, as they can only take about 8 cars or so off the branch at a time. But wait, what's going on? All 3 units are heading back north to their train. Well, this stinks. They aren't going to O'Connell Falls anymore. They have just been told to get going to Green Bay. I can't film the Stiles Shuffle now. Well, little did I know that these events would make up for this. South of Abrams, I am set up at Gano Beach Road. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting, but it doesn't seem like he is coming. Guess I'll drive back to Sampson Road, the next crossing north. Look at this. Now what? Oh crap, that explains it. This is the first train in about a week through here. The good news is one of the track guys is on his way to cut the tree away. The bad news is he was an hour and a half away when he got the call. Well, It has already been about an hour, so I might as well hang around. Some of the locals stopped by to see what was going on, and I can take advantage of the sun finally coming out. Ah, here's our man and machine. The power is running him down to the tree. His wife came along with him for the ride, all the way from Norway. No, not the country, Norway, Michigan.
He was just getting home and the boss called and told him there's a tree over the rail. He had to come cut it down.
So how did you end up coming?
Because he didn't want to go back to Iron Mountain to get the car. Save some time.
20 minutes later, and here they come back. Mission accomplished. So back to Gano Beach Road to try again. Ah, crap. I muffed the run by as I can't see the video camera screen too well, and I didn't have the shot lined up correctly. Let's go down to County S at Sobieski. Now what? Another stop. Two passes have to be made to set out some smart side cars that can't go through to CN yet. Pull to clear the crossing and let traffic clear. You know, if I had to be stopped by a stopped train, mega log haulers are definitely what I would like to be staring at. Okay, the work is done and it is time to be on their way south to Lineville Road. The sun is so good, I am going to do one more run by at Allen Road and see the mega log haulers one more time. Wisconsin Central made them from two standard 52-foot bulkhead flat cars permanently coupled together. Well, although not what I expected, it was still an interesting day. Please subscribe if you haven't already, because more are coming. And here's a link to my channel. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.